Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Metal TV to your Roblox account. To connect your Metal TV account to your Roblox account, you need to follow this step. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down metal.tv and enter it. And once you get inside this homepage, what you need to do is you need to click over here, that is your profile icon, and you need to go to the setting. And over here under the settings, scroll a bit down until you find this connect accounts. And if you find this Roblox here, you need to select this. If not, click see more here. And after that, you need to click over here on the Roblox. After that, what you need to do is you need to continue if you're logged in, or you can also change your account and follow the on-screen instruction of your password and your username and continue. As I'm going to select this continue in the top and scroll a bit down and continue again. And over here, after that, select confirm and give access. And that is it. This is how you can connect Metal TV to your Roblox account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.